Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are covering next 30 questions and answers about branches of biology in English. Question number 1. What is the study of process of aging called? The right answer is option B, gerontology. It encompasses the biological, psychological and social aspects of aging as well as the impact of an aging population on society. Question number 2. What is the physical basis of life? The right answer is option C, protoplasm. The physical basis of life is protoplasm, the living substance within cells. It's a complex jelly-like substance containing all the essential components for cell function. Protoplasm includes the cytoplasm, nucleus, and other organelles, and is considered the fundamental material of all living organisms. Next question. Which branch of horticulture deals with the production, storage, processing, and marketing of vegetables? The right answer is option C, olericulture. It specifically deals with the cultivation of non-woody plants grown for their edible parts. Question number 4. Which branch of biology deals with study of heredity and variation? The right answer is option C, genetics. Genetics focuses on how traits are passed from parents to offspring and how these traits can vary within a population. It delves into the study of genes, DNA, and their role in inheritance. Question number 5. What is the study of growing plants without soil in water containing nutrients known as? The right answer is option B, hydroponics. Question number 6. Which microscopic organism passively float on the surface of water? The right answer is option C, both A and B. Microscopic organisms that passively float on the surface of water are called planktons. This includes both phytoplanktons, which are plant-like and use photosynthesis, and zooplanktons, which are animal-like and consume other planktons. Planktons are characterized by their inability to swim against water currents and are therefore carried along by the movement of the water. They are a vital food source for many aquatic animals. Question number 7. What is the study of birds called? The right answer is option B, ornithology. It is a branch of zoology that focuses on the scientific study of birds, including their biology, behavior, and ecology. Next question. The branch of geology that studies dinosaurs is an example of? The right answer is option C, paleontology. Paleontology is the study of prehistoric life encompassing the study of fossils, which includes dinosaur remains. Question number 9. What is the study of ancient plants like mosses that grow in moist, humid environments called? The right answer is option B, bryology. Question number 10. Botanical Survey of India's headquarters is located in which city? The right answer is option C, Kolkata, West Bengal. It was established in 1890 and is responsible for researching and conserving India's plant life. Question number 11. Which branch of ornamental horticulture is concerned with growing and marketing flowers and ornamental plants as well as with flower arrangement? The right answer is option C, floriculture. Question number 12. Which branch of science deals with the study of skin of man? The right answer is option D, dermatology. It's a specialized field within medicine focused on the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases and conditions related to the skin, hair, and nails. Question number 13. What is study of bone called? The right answer is option B, osteology. Question number 14. What is study of insects called? The right answer is option C, entomology. Question number 15. Ichthyology is the study of. The right answer is option D, fish. This includes their biology, behavior, ecology, and evolution. It also studies how fish interact with their environment and other organisms. Question number 16. What is study of butterfly called? The right answer is option C, lepidopterology. Question number 17. What is the study of system of animal body which protect it from infection of various disease called? The right answer is option B, immunology. Question number 18. Study of tissue culture is useful for. The right answer is option A, plant. Question number 19. The word histology is related with. The right answer is option A, tissue. Question number 20. What is the study of disease like cancer known as? The right answer is option B, oncology. Question number 21. What is study of mollusca called? The right answer is option C, malacology. Question number 22. What is study of vestigial organ called? The right answer is option B, dysteleology. Question number 23. Which branch of science deals with the improvement of human race by providing better environmental conditions? The right answer is option A, eugenics. Question number 24. Which branch of science deals with the study of humans as cultural beings? The right answer is option C, ethnology. Question number 25. What is study of typical behavior of organisms in their natural habitats called? The right answer is option C, ethology. Question number 26. What is study of ductless gland known as? The right answer is option B, endocrinology. Question number 27. Which branch of science deals with the study of law of genetics for the improvement of human race? The right answer is option A, eugenics. Question number 28. Which branch of science deals with the study of causative agent of disease? The right answer is option B, etiology. Question number 29. What is study of effect of radiation on plant and animal called? The right answer is option C, radiobiology. Question number 30. What is study of population known as? The right answer is option C, demography. Demography is the statistical and mathematical analysis of human populations, focusing on their size, composition, distribution, and how these characteristics change over time due to factors like births, deaths, and migration. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.